Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro, breaking down its specifications and what makes it stand out from the crowd. With the Mavic 4 Pro's official release just around the corner, we've gathered all the essential details you need to know. Huge thanks to the eagle-eyed tech enthusiasts like Jasper and Igor Bogdanov for revealing key specs. So, let's explore everything you should expect from this next-generation drone. Design and build. The Mavic 4 Pro combines portability and power in a sleek design. When folded, it measures just 25 cm in length and weighs about 1.63 kilos, making it surprisingly compact for a drone of this caliber. Unfolding it, you get an impressively aggressive stance, measuring nearly 39 cm across, making it larger than some previous models, but still small enough to fit easily into most backpacks for your travels. Performance and speed now. Let's talk about what really sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart, its flight performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone promises a thrilling experience. In sport mode, the Mavic 4 Pro can hit a max speed of 25 mph, roughly 90 km/h, while maintaining impressive climb and descent rates of 6 mph. For a drone this size, it's blisteringly fast. In normal or sin mode, the drone's speed and maneuverability remain impressive, ensuring smooth, stable flight in all conditions. Flight time is another strong suit, with a maximum endurance of 51 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 51 minutes. Hovering time is about 45 minutes, which is remarkable compared to other drones in the market. On top of that, the Mavic 4 Pro handles wind speeds of up to 12 mph and can take off at altitudes up to 6,000 meters. Although with prop guards, that max height drops to 3,000 meters. Advanced satellite systems, for precise positioning and enhanced accuracy, the Mavic 4 Pro features a triple satellite system that integrates GPS, Galileo, and BEU. This ensures a solid connection, even in challenging environments. The Creator Combo version of the Mavic 4 Pro comes with a massive 512 GB of internal storage, which is a game-changer for content creators who are tired of constantly swapping SD cards. Stunning image quality. Let's talk about the image quality. The Mavic 4 Pro is truly built for filmmakers and professional photographers. Its main camera is powered by a large 4x3-inch CMOS sensor with an incredible 100-megapixel mode. This is paired with full manual aperture control, ranging from f2 to f11. The wide 72-degree field of view ensures cinematic shots with rich detail. TR drone also features a medium telephoto lens with a 48-megapixel sensor and 70mm equivalent focal length, perfect for those moments when you can't get closer to your subject. And if you need to zoom even further, the Mavic 4 Pro boasts a telephoto lens with a 50-megapixel sensor, delivering stunning clarity up to a 168mm equivalent focal length. Low-light performance. When it comes to low-light shooting, the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. Its main camera has a high ISO range up to 12,800, while in video mode, you can expect up to 6,400 in D-Log or HLG formats. For even more control, the drone offers a wide range of ISO values, making it versatile for various lighting conditions. Shutter. Speed and burst modes with a fast shutter speed of up to 1/16,000. The Mavic 4 Pro lets you capture ultra-fast action shots. On the other end of the spectrum, it also allows for long exposures, as slow as 16 seconds, which is perfect for those stunning night shots or silky smooth water effects. The drone's burst modes, such as AEB, sequential, and timed, add versatility, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. Image and video resolution. If you're aiming for the highest resolution, the Mavic 4 Pro offers impressive image sizes up to 12,288 x 8,192 pixels, making it ideal for billboard-quality prints. You can shoot in both 25-megapixel and 100-megapixel modes, and time-lapse photography is supported with intervals ranging from 1 second to 60 seconds. For video, the Mavic 4 Pro offers cutting-edge capabilities. You can shoot up to 6K at 60 frames per second, FPS, in the standard 16:9 aspect ratio. Want slow motion? The drone supports 4K video at up to 120 FPS or 2.7K vertical video at the same frame rate, perfect for social media content. video compression, and color profiles, the Mavic 4 Pro is capable of recording videos in both H.264 and H.265 formats, with the latter offering up to 180 Mbps for a balance of quality and storage efficiency. If you opt for the 512GB creator combo, you can unlock H.264 all-intra compression at a staggering 1200 Mbps, which is perfect for professional video workflows. For color grading, DJI provides flexibility with several color profiles, including normal color, HLG, D-Log M, and D-Log, all in 10-bit 4.2.2 for superior post-production control. Whether you're editing on the fly or working with high-end video editing software, the Mavic 4 Pro makes color adjustments a breeze. Stabilization and zoom in terms of stabilization. The Mavic 4 Pro is equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring that your footage stays steady no matter how rough the winds are. The gimbal supports a wide range of motion, with pitch angles from 164 degree to 160 degree, and roll coverage from 90 degree to 450 degrees. When it comes to zooming, the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't fall short. You can use the Hasselblad main camera for a 1x to 2.5x zoom, while the medium telephoto lens zooms from 2.5x to 6x, and the telephoto lens provides up to 24x digital zoom, making it perfect for those long-distance shots without losing detail. Intelligent sensors and battery life. The Mavic 4 Pro is equipped with omnidirectional sensors that include front LiDAR, infrared, and side sensors for 360-degree obstacle avoidance. With detection capabilities up to 200 meters at high speeds, this drone is built to safely navigate complex environments, whether you're flying through dense forests or urban landscapes. Powering the Mavic 4 Pro is a 6,654 mAh battery with a 95.3 W capacity, providing longer flight times. Charging is fast and convenient, with the option to use the DJI Mavic 240W power adapter, which can charge a battery from 0% to 100% in about 51 minutes. The battery is also compatible with a charging hub, which can simultaneously charge multiple batteries, ensuring you're always ready for the next flight. Final thoughts in conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a game changer for drone enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike. With its powerful image sensors, impressive flight performance, and versatile shooting options, it's a drone that's built to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, cinematic footage, or detailed close-ups, the Mavic 4 Pro has everything you need to create stunning content. Stay tuned for more updates and deep dives into the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and other exciting tech releases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest on cutting-edge technology. See you in the next video.